Hello, namaste, welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 5 of 30 days yoga challenge. I am Payal. I'm not a yoga expert or fitness influencer. I'm just curious, and that's why I took this challenge. Today I'll be following a 15 minutes guided yoga session by Cassandra. I'll link it below in case you also want to try at home. If you are a beginner or just watching it for fun, join me in this awkward journey. This video is in 3x speed so that you don't have to witness every bit of my struggle. So 5 days down as well. Today I followed a short yoga session. I improvised it a little, also followed some instructions as well. And I'm noticing that doing yoga in the morning actually calming me down and making me more focused throughout the day. So I'm proud of myself for that, for doing this. Thank you for joining me in this journey. Namaste.